friends, this is the physiotherapist cum dietitian Dr. Pratibha Jha. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing good. And this video is about kids only because I love kids. Yes, like my recent videos, this video is also about kids. And this video is about the most important topic about which the parents are always concerned and probably do not find any kind of solutions on internet or through any other means. Yes, but I would like to question you. Our very first question is, does your child refrain from studies, or is he or she shows any kind of disinterest in the studies? If this is the case, then you are in the right place. Yes, trust me guys, I am going to tell you the probably most suitable solutions about this problem. And if you will follow the guidelines which I am going to tell you, you will definitely find your child inclination towards the studies. Yes, he or she will be inclined towards the studies in a very short span of time, and you will thank me. But no need, just subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, let's start it. Incline your child towards studies. Yes, towards reading. And that is the most difficult thing which parents find actually. Actually in our time also, parents were very much concerned about the studies of children. My parents were also very much concerned about my studies, and they always wanted me a scholar or very good in academics. And I was, and I'm going to share you about those tips only which my parents used to use for me to have inclination towards studies. The thing is, try to read yourself in front of your children. Yes, try to read or try to study something in front of your children. Be a role model. Yes, be a role model of your children. Try to study something in front of them, like a novel or write like anything, so that they can see that their parents are also studying, their parents are also reading, and they can get the motivation also. Next thing is, make a specific timetable. Yes, make a specific timetable of study, of playing, of eating, etc. Like, you have to tell your child, this is the time to play, this is the time to study, this is time to eat, and you have to do these things at this time only. Yes, this is the probably most suitable method of inclining your child towards study or towards playing or towards eating. Yes, they'll find the time and they'll do it. Yes. Now the next thing is find out your child's interest. Yes. Like, for example, if a child is most interested in drawing, then you can make the study based on drawing only. Like, if he or she doesn't want to write anything, A, B, C, D or anything like that, if he or she is not interested in writing anything, then you can draw A and give them a color pencil to draw in between the lines. Yes, that is a good method. You can tell them this is A and you have to draw it. You can tell them that this is the drawing only. Take that study or take that thing into the drawing form if he or she is interested in drawing. Now, the next thing is, never be strict to your children. Yes, never force your children to study, because that can cause the rebellious nature of your child and they can never ever get interested in the studies. So be friends and tell them about the positive effects of studying, positive effects of reading. Tell them that I am also studying, you also can study, and because I studied in my time, so I am in that position, see me, and you can also be in a good position in life if you will study. Studying is how much important you can teach them. So this is the way you can definitely teach your child how to get interest in the studies. Now the next thing, find the reason why your child is not interested in studies. Make it a fun session, tell him or her some stories, and you can play with them, simultaneously do the playing and studying, and you can definitely teach them while playing, while giving them fun sessions, while telling them or narrating them most inspirational stories about study, about reading, that there was a child who was very much interested in studies, and later on he definitely performed well in his life. He got good salary, he got more chocolates, he got more playing, he got everything good in his life. So studying is very much good. So you should always read, you should always study in your life. This type of stories or these type of things will keep them motivated, and they will definitely after some time start finding the interest in studies. So these are my simple tips. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you and goodbye.